Hi, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to August. I can't believe it's August already. I'm a little late getting this video out. We just moved into a new beautiful house, and my sewing room has some renovating going on right now, so I am outside to talk to you about our monthly YouTube giveaway. So it's August, and every month we give something away, and this month is no exception. We're giving away a $50 5 out of 4 Patterns gift card. That's exciting. That's like over 5 patterns that you could get for free. So what do you have to do to win? There's only 2 things. First, subscribe. Go ahead and do that now. Done? All right, next thing, I want you to comment below with your favorite thing to wear during the warm summer months. It's currently August, so it's pretty warm here in Indiana. Kind of overcast and gray today, which is nice. A bit of a breeze. It's pretty nice, but still a little humid. What do you like to wear? I love my Sophie top and my Sophie dress. What do you love to wear? So comment below. 1, subscribe. 2, comment. That's it. And you are entered to win a $50 gift card from 5 out of 4 Patterns the month of August. We'll choose a winner during the first Tipsy Tuesday of September. So be on the lookout for that. So that's it. Subscribe, comment. You're entered. And I will see you next month. Bye.